35 years executive chef. Pro hints and tips. Expert advice.
Hundreds and hundreds of recipes coming your way for your RV. So in this episode we are making spicy kebab, and also we're going to wrap the kebab in bacon, which gives it that extra taste. Now, one of the ingredients that we're using in this recipe is one of our favorites. Again, you've probably seen it in quite a few recipes, sumac. Now, did you know sumac has healing agents in it, which means it's an anti-inflammatory and it's also good for the heart.
Now, spicy kebab time with bacon. Let's make this spicy kebab right now. I have ground beef, onion diced, garlic chopped, parsley, red pepper paste, cumin, salt, red pepper, a little bit spicy, and black pepper. And a little bit olive oil. Now we need to combine our mixture very nicely until everything mixed together. This is the key part. You have to spend at least 3-4 minutes all the ingredients mix together like this. See how the color start to get a little bit reddish, and the paste is so good when you hold like this, doesn't drop. What you need to do, put this mixture in refrigerator 30 minutes, you will get better taste. After 30 minutes, mixture is ready. Now for garnish, cut the tomatoes half, and you need 2 pepper. If you don't like vegetables, don't put, but I love tomatoes and vegetables. Take 1 full handful mixture and take your and put inside the meat and start the squeeze slowly. Give a long good shape. Look, did you see the meat stuck on the kebab? What you want to do now, take your tomatoes and pepper. Now your kebab is ready. Next one, we will wrap with bacon. Next step, the fun part. Take your bacon, put on the meat nicely, just slowly roll your bacon. Keep wrapping the bacon until your kebab covered. I love it. Oh, look at this, you know, double taste, bacon and ground beef, yummy. Place your bacon and turn same way. Right now, time to cook. My best part. best part, all the nice smell start to come. Oh, take your bacon. I'm using medium heat here.
Look at the size of those.
Yeah, this is humongous.
So good.
Now it takes 14-15 minutes. After that, we'll be ready to eat. And that time, our most important recipe,
sumac.
and onion. Lots of sumac. Don't forget, lots of
Gotta
sumac.
have sumac onion. It really adds to the taste.
Little
So
bit,
nice.
little bit salt.
And the tzatziki sauce that we made in the other video. Check it out how to make that, because that really does add the flavour.
And parsley. Let's mix together.
Look at that sizzle.
Yeah.
Now, I have to be honest, I've had a lot of these spicy kebabs and they are really delicious, but I've never had one with bacon wrapped. So this is a new one for me.
New one,
yeah,
yeah.
you've had them, but I've not had them, so I'm going to try this in the end. Like anything, I always try it at the end.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells already.
Already smells. Beautiful smells coming up. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
You're going to have everyone around your campsite going, oh, what's that smell? What is it? So nice. So, can we quickly,
Yeah.
the flat top grill. Yeah, we just
Yeah.
bought this and we're really pleased with it. We got it on the sale, didn't we?
Yeah.
From
Home Depot.
From Thanksgiving. So from Home Depot, and it's really good. We like it. So how did you prepare that? Whether you put oil on it? Can you
Yeah,
explain how you looked after it?
Before you start everything, cook up rightly and bring up the medium temperature until your grill top gets at least 350 degrees. You can put a little bit seasoning, any kind of Lowry seasoning, any kind of seasoning. I did that way.
What, to pre-prepare it before you cook?
Yes.
And then you
before.
put some
first time,
oil on it?
No, first time
First time.
using this. And olive oil, I scrub very nicely, almost 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Then,
You take
you
care
can
of
use,
the
yeah.
grills, don't you?
Yeah.
So at the end of cooking as well, you've got a technique that you use for cleaning the grill, haven't you? You
Yeah.
used to do it in the restaurant. What
I
do we
don't, I
do?
don't like to use chemicals, Basically, take nice cloths, cleaning cloths, put vinegar, white vinegar, cheapest vinegar you can get, and rub it. Because the
vinegar?
vinegar kills all the fat, oil immediately.
It keeps it nice and
Nice,
clean.
yeah.
So there you
kills
go,
it.
another top tip. Don't put chemicals on your grill.
Yeah.
Vinegar. More healthy.
Yeah.
Top tip. Time to turn.
Yeah, after 7 minutes, time to turn. Yeah, just take. If you have spatula, get help with that.
Stops it sticking, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Dear me, look at that.
Look at this. Ooh. This is the kebab you wanna eat.
Oh, you will. You will. The smell.
I will be angry if you don't eat.
Just look at it though. Oh, as well, these would be so good. Well, Thanksgiving is finished, but it's so good for Christmas.
Oh
isn't
yeah.
it?
Yeah.
It looks like it's just stuffed.
Bacon taste,
Bacon
spice makes you warm. Yeah.
Yeah, so, if you don't fancy turkey or chicken, spicy meatball on the size of these. And you can get these skewers. Where can you get these skewers from?
Anywhere, Amazon,
Amazon, yeah.
Target,
they
Walmart,
last-
everywhere.
Yeah, they last forever. But, I can't wait.
Yep, me too.
I
Really
can never
smells
wait
good.
to eat. Yeah, I can never wait to eat. Oh.
Make sure the edge part needs to cook a little bit too. Just put sideways. Your bacon needs to cook very good, very nicely. Oops. Yeah, clean each other. Will stay there. If doesn't, just put your spatula on the edge a little bit. Only you need to do 1 or 2 minutes, not much. Little bit meat left over. What will I do? Make a small bowl and smash the bowl and make a burger patty. You know, it's excellent inside the burger. Oh, like this, just put in there. Will be another 10 minutes, will be ready. Each side cook 7-8 minutes. You can see the top dark golden brown is ready. Kebab is ready. Time to heat up the pita bread. Yum. Probably takes another minute to cook those pitas. Yeah.
And you can, obviously, you can pick up the kebab as it is and munch on it while it sits on the skewer. But with all of our kebabs, a lot of them, we put them in the pita bread, don't we?
Yeah.
Pull it out and then
Or
wrapped
lavash.
up, all lavash bread, and it's wrapped up and yummy, yummy, yummy. This burger looks good.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't forget, you know, if you've made your mixture and you've got a bit left over, turn it into a burger.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Now, the final part.
Ta-da!
Doo-doo. And my pita bread ready. Nice little bit juice inside. What I am doing, tzatziki sauce
Tzatziki.
or jajik.
And again, don't forget, in our other video, we show you how to make this tzatziki better than the store tzatziki.
Sumac onion underneath.
And again, sumac has a lot of healing properties in there, great for blood pressure. It's an anti-inflammatory and it's good for the heart.
Look at that. What are you are doing? Little bit pressure on top. Then pull your kebab sticks from there. And Sue doesn't like pepper, hot pepper. Yeah, I'm removing that.
Good job.
And basically, look at this. This $1 million dish.
Oh my
And
God, the size of that. I
roll
might-
over. And bon appetit, Sue. Enjoy.
I don't know where to stop.
Yeah, try.
Okay, so what do I do with this?
Just hold on the side and start to eat. Just keep in the plate, otherwise drips, you know?
You can put foil around and wrap it, can't
Yeah,
you?
you can. They
stick
can
a bit
do
of
it,
foil
yeah.
around the bottom so it doesn't all drip out. Yeah? Oh God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Are you eating, Mum?
Yeah, I'm making myself too.
Oh wow.
You like it, Sue? Do you?
It's unbelievably tasty.
Take tzatziki
I'm not just
again.
saying that either. Oh. It's dripping a bit too much for me though.
Yeah,
I need
just
the foil. Oh God. And the tzatziki and the sumac and every bit of spice and oh. Wow.
like this.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
And you know something? You won't get this quality anywhere, and you can make it yourself, and you will see the difference, big difference. So if you go out to your local restaurant and you ask for one of these, you won't get it as good as this. I mean, you've got to make it yourself to understand and appreciate just how good it is.
Yeah. Yeah. What we are saying before we leave? Oh, you are eating.
No,
Okay,
ready?
I will
Ready?
wait. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Enjoy your
Enjoy.
spicy kebab.